let's go. What are you guys doing, weirdos? I'm just gonna sit here. You're just gonna sit here. What are you doing? You're so silly. Are you a good boy, Dozer? Hmm? He's like, yes. Alright, let's go. Come on. Dozer, you don't have to keep coming to me and sitting down. You can run in the snow, you know. Okay. Come on. We're done. Let's go home. There he goes.